what is a conference, seminar, congress, or a symposium? Also, exactly what is it that separates each from each? Well, do stick around because on this video I want to tell you guys exactly about that. Welcome to another one. My name is Doc. Let's get right to it. So most individuals or companies tend to use four most common ways of gathering people into one place and to sort of like focus on specific topics or interest or fields of studies or things like that, you understand? So I want us to have a look at those types of gathering. The first one, we have a conference, right? So what is exactly is a conference? A conference is a formal gathering where individuals come together to discuss and exchange ideas, information, or knowledge on a particular topic or field of interest, right? So basically, it is a formal gathering where people would come together and they would share information, they would share ideas, they would share knowledge, or sort of like discuss a specific topic. You understand? So that is a conference. That is what that's what's happening in a conference. You understand? The next type of gathering we have is called a seminar, right? So a seminar is more focused on interactive gathering that centers around a specific topic or theme, right? So seminars are usually smaller in scale compared to conferences and provide a platform for in-depth discussions and interactions among participants. So if you think of a typical example of a seminar is if a company wants to maybe train their employees on a specific system, you understand, they would send those that small group of employees to a seminar where they would be trained on that, or they would have to discuss that specific part of that system they are trying to train them on, you understand? So that is basically a seminar. It is more or less the same as a conference, however it is much smaller, it is much more intimate, you understand? And then we have Congress, right? So the term Congress is often used interchangeably with conference, right? But it also refers to a specific type of conference. A congress is typically a larger scale event, often international in scope, that brings together professionals, experts, and researchers from a specific field of or industry, right? So one perfect example of this type of gathering are our political parties, you know, your EFFs, your ANC, your DA, so on and so forth, you understand? So let's look into one of the parties in detail. In ANC, you have a group of experts or professionals who are coming together, and they are all sort of like discussing these mini, or they are tackling these mini challenges, discussing these mini problems that all gather up into one universal topic or center of attention, if I may put it. You understand? So that is a congress. It is a more, it's a conference that is in a larger scale. Think of the ANC. Imagine how many members does it have? How many people are participating in their rallies and stuff like that? You understand? So it is somewhat a conference, however on a larger scale, right? So that is a congress, right? And then lastly, we have a symposium, right? So a symposium is a specialized gathering that focuses on a specific topic or issue within a particular field. It is characterized by a series of presentations, panel discussions, or lectures that delve deep into the chosen subject matter, right? So the symposium is it is more focusing on a very specific topic or within a broad field. You understand? So if maybe you're a company and you're trying to, going back to the same example, if you're trying to train your employees maybe on how to pick up on data integrity on their systems, then you would send them on a symposium that will strictly focus on just that, identifying or executing data integrity on your systems. You understand? So you now have this type of gathering that strictly focuses on exactly one point of topic from a broad subject. You understand? That is that, Buffet. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you find this video very helpful. Otherwise, Buffet, if you're watching this video and you still haven't subscribed, come on now, get with us up, get with the program. Click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so that you make sure you get instant notifications for every time we drop new content. You do not want to miss out. All the links to our socials are right up here, so do make sure that you check that out, because it is where you guys can actually communicate with us. If you want me or any of my colleagues to discuss a specific subject that you quite don't understand, hit us up and hey, we'll make it happen. Understand? Because we just care about you that much. Otherwise, Bafetu, as I always say, for myself and my team at TV Tutorials, adios.